science.
PlantBank, one of the world's largest plant banks, is now open in Sydney, Australia. The facility will preserve unique flora samples for research and restoration programs. With 10% of Australian plant species now at risk of extinction, the bank's ultimate goal is to collect and store seeds or live tissue from all of Australia's 25,000 plant species. Liquid nitrogen is used to freeze and thus preserve the seeds and other samples. Over 200 million living seeds could eventually be stored.
You need to stop metabolism completely. So if you put them into storage at minus 196, everything stops. So you don't get any ageing of the tissues that way, and when you pull them back out of storage, then you've got a live plant.
Seeds are accurately selected using special state-of-the-art machinery and then preserved. But not all Australian native plants produce seeds. That's the reason why PlantBank will provide alternative storage systems, such as tissue culture, the growth of tissues or cells separate from the organism. All the living matter will be used to create a vast collection, both for research and future regeneration.
Well, seed is there as a preservation, as an insurance policy for those collections, but we also want to use it for restoration program, for reintroductions of plant species into the wild so that we're able to restore ecosystems and vegetation.
Through lectures and workshops, the Australian Plant Bank also aims to educate younger generations, informing them about the different species of plant and about the risks linked to their extinction. Moving from restoring to recording ecosystems now, as a group of Italian outdoor enthusiasts has created a web service that provides a panoramic, virtual reality insight into some of the world's most hidden and remote locations. Thanks to the work of their hikers, vistas like this are now only a click away. Here we are in a beautiful yet little-known spot not far from Rome. Trail Me Up, an online virtual augmented reality system, works just like Google's Street View, but with one difference: it maps places far from main roads and off the beaten track. The Trail Me Up service allows you to take virtual guided tours of places that can only be reached by foot. It's a kind of street view for trails that gives people the possibility to join virtual tours of trails, forests and national parks. Explanations of what you see in the panoramas are also given, so the end product is a sort of interactive documentary. Here, Fabio is in a remote village of Ethiopia. He constructed a backpack that carries 5 synchronized cameras connected to one shutter release button. The person wearing the backpack pushes the button every 20 to 30 meters, thus taking a 360-degree image of the surrounding area. There's also a GPS receiver that determines exactly where the images were taken. In this instance, we're inside a virtual reality at a Morsi site in Ethiopia, which we went to with our backpack. Once we've published our material, there'll be the possibility to take a tour of this village on our website. Fabio built their first prototype in a kitchen 2 years ago, making use of some unconventional materials, including chair leg covers and a scooter battery to power the cameras. The Trail Me Up website targets mountaineers, nature lovers and everybody who's curious about exploring hard-to-reach places all around the globe.